Hello and welcome to Phix Provider. Today, we'll show you how to use the app starting with the home screen. On the Provider home screen, you can see the upcoming appointments with customers. You can toggle the online-offline slider to indicate your current availability. If you are online, customers are able to see you on the map. This allows better chances of getting a booking. If you are offline, customers are still able to book you, provided that you have created your work schedule, which brings us to the Schedule tab. Creating your schedule allows customers to make an appointment with you on a later date or time. In the Schedule tab, you can input your availability for the week or the whole month. You do not need to be online while you receive appointments on a later date. Tap on the plus sign to add schedule. You can select how often the schedule is repeated, or whether it's only repeated on certain days, along with the duration that the schedule will be used for. Slot size allows you to select how long each appointment for your services will take. After you have input the daily start and end time, your slots will be automatically generated. The rate card is for you to input your hourly cost that the customers will be charged for your work. This will be on top of the service fee for your appointments. Finally, tap on Location if you would like to add in your address. Tap on Confirm to create your schedule. Once your schedule is created, Phix customers will be able to book appointments with you when you have free slots. How to edit your profile. On the Profile tab, you can view your profile, your rate card, and change your password. If you tap on Profile, you can see your details such as your photo, About Me, areas of expertise, email, phone number, and license number. To edit any of these details, tap Edit on the top right. Now tap any of the fields to edit the details. To edit your hourly rates, tap on Rate Card and the specific service that you want to edit. Your hourly rate should be an acceptable rate, as customers will be charged your hourly rate together with the appointment fee. So if your hourly rate is too high, customers may not want to book you. How to get on the job, check upcoming jobs, and accept jobs. When a Phix customer requires a service immediately and you are matched with the customer, this pop-up will appear on your phone. You have 30 seconds to decide if you are able to carry out the job. If you decide to proceed taking the job, tap the green button. To decline, tap the red button. Once you have accepted the job, it will appear on your home screen, and you can start making your way to the job location. When a customer has made a booking for your services at a later time or date, it will be automatically accepted if it is within your available schedule. You will get an email notification regarding the booking, and this will also appear in your home screen. When you are ready to make your way to the job location, swipe right on the bottom to indicate to the customer that you are on your way. You can choose to navigate if you are unsure of the way to the job location. Once you have reached the job location, swipe right again on the bottom to inform the customer that you have reached their location. When you are ready to start the work, tap on the Start Job timer and begin the work. The timer will record the time that you have spent carrying out the job, and the customer will be charged with your hourly rate included. Once your job is completed, stop the timer and swipe Job Complete. The invoice will then pop up, showing the amount that the customer will be charged. The fee will comprise of an appointment fee and your hourly charges. You may also include any miscellaneous fees, such as additional material that you purchased and used in the job. You can then show this to the customer. If the customer agrees, get them to sign on the invoice and tap Done. That's it. How to check your earnings. From the Earnings tab, you can see how much you have made for the past week. Phix takes a small percentage of your earnings for our administration, and you will see the adjusted figures in your Earnings tab. You can tap on previous weeks to see the earnings then. For each week, you can also see the completed job records. How to be a good provider. Being a good provider is a lot about common sense. There are a few important things to remember. Don't be late for your appointments. Be polite and friendly. Let the customer know what is going on. Check with the customer before leaving. Take note. When you are completing a job, you can add the miscellaneous cost that is not included in the appointment fee and your hourly rate. You can also add in any discounts that you would like to give to the customer. Remember, if the customer is happy with you and your work, they are more likely to give you a good rating and feedback, and this will only help you for your future jobs. How to resolve disputes. When you come across any issues with a customer, for example, they do not agree with your fees, please be polite and respectful and solve the issues by discussing calmly with the customer. If the customer gets aggressive, please look out for your own safety and get yourself out of any dangerous situations. Remember, your safety is your own personal responsibility. If you are unable to solve the issues between you and the customer, send an email to Phix admin with all the details and we will see how we can resolve the issues. We appreciate your efforts and we trust that you will provide a great service to your customers.